YouTube and NoSac fam. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of our future uploads. And please share. Today I'm going to go over a MotoVlog setup that I think will fit for both modular helmets and non-modular helmets that are full face, that are optimized for the smallest footprint on your helmet. All parts are available through Amazon. I'll provide links to the items I used in the item description from Amazon. So I've got a curved mount on the side with a curved arm, to the adapter here. So I've got a curved mount here that these also come in flat, but the curved part flows with the helmet better and you'll get a better stick. And you have a curved arm up to the adapter. And these are 10 by 32 bolts that are 3/4 of an inch long. I've got 2 of those. I kept the original GoPro nut here because you want to be able to tighten and loosen this easily on the fly. This is a solid GoPro carrier to a GoPro Mic Adapter. It just slides right in there. So then on one side, you've got the mic adapter to the GoPro. And you've got your mic port here. On the back side is this little detent. You can see that there. Got that detent, so then you push the detent. That back plate slides off. And then your GoPro will slide in. Then you've got little rails. I match up about halfway into the thing. There it goes. And that's that. Got some 50-pound mounting tape on the bottom to secure my mic wire. I've found that routing the wire just forward of the crease where the modular helmet splits is the optimized location. You disconnect the mic from the GoPro, and then this will raise all the way up. So then I've got my mic, I've got my 2 wires, and what I didn't do was overlap the wires, double them over. You got one strand, then you double them over, and then you zip tie them together. I did not do that. I did that initially, and it made a giant bulge right in my piece here, and I tried different positions, but just created a pressure point. So I just left the wires loose, and they're kind of, they're essentially flat inside there now. But they're not zip tied, they're not secured. I really haven't had any issues with that. I feel like the cheek pad holds it in place really well. Now I've got my microphone just on the right side of the seam right here. And that's secured in place with more 50-pound mounting tape. So you can see the mounting tape. It's double-sided. It's 50 pounds, made by Gorilla Glue. Plastic mic goes inside the hole for the windbreaker foam piece. Nothing really gets in the way. As you can see, you can rotate this up and down. You can always tighten this up a little bit if you need to. It really doesn't move on me. You can adjust your height. But this is what I found is to be the, don't have anything hanging off the side here. There's one mounting point to the helmet. It's right here. If you want it to, this whole thing can come off. And then you just have that cord dangle on there that you kind of tuck up and just let it dangle there, because your chin curtains here, it's not really gonna hurt anything. As you can see, that's just that's one of those 1032 by 3/4 inch screws. I've got extra of these. Those are easy to come by. And then I'll just plug right back in there so you can go riding. But this is it's also notched up for a light, you can put a light up here for some reason if you wanted to. Put a light up on top. That's my setup. There's the GoPro Mic Adapter. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching YouTube. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please post them. I look forward to them. Thank you.